Balance is a lie. It's an excuse average people use to feel better about achieving nothing. If you want to make serious money, build a real business, or completely transform your life, you don't need balance. You need total immersion. If you give me 30 days of total focus, I guarantee your life will change. If you can't handle that, close this video right now. Monk mode isn't a permanent lifestyle. It's a tool. You don't do this all year. You run it in aggressive cycles, 30 to 90 days at a time, where you cut the noise and execute relentlessly. My framework built on 3 non-negotiable rules. You do not change them. You do not skip them. 1. 10 minutes of daily meditation. Your focus is completely broken. Brain rot, endless scrolling, and instant gratification are killing your ambition. 10 minutes of daily silence forces you to face your own mind. Within 2 weeks, your brain clears, your anxiety drops, and your urge to waste time disappears. 2. 30 minutes of daily exercise. Move your body every single day for at least 30 minutes. Gym, running, swimming, or bodyweight exercises. It doesn't matter. You need to sweat, raise your heart rate, and build physical discipline. 7 days a week. 0 excuses. 3. 0 alcohol and 0 weed. No exceptions. Substances are just an escape mechanism to avoid facing reality. If you need a drink or a smoke to relax, you are weak. Cut them completely so your head stays clear 24/7. Once the 3 non-negotiables are locked in, you add 1 to 3 personal variables tailored directly to your primary goal. Want to build a business? Add. Send 20 cold messages every single morning. Want absolute mental clarity? Add. 0 caffeine and 0 social media apps. Want peak physical focus? Add. Strict keto or carnivore diet. Keep it simple. Do not add more than 3 extra rules or you will burn out. Do not try to live like a monk forever. Run monk mode as a strategic strike. Pick your cycle length. Minimum 21 days, maximum 90 days. 30 to 45 days is the sweet spot. Execute with 0 leniency. No cheat days. If you break a rule, you restart from day 1. Reset and repeat. Take 3 to 7 days off to recharge, then stack your next cycle. Pick your start date, lock in your variables, and prove to yourself that you aren't average.